Welcome to My Healthy Food Quest. My name is Jared Adams. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled chicken wings and grilled vegetables. So here I have a secret spice blend. So you want to sprinkle it on the chicken. I portioned it just right for everything. You want to wear gloves because you don't want the chicken grease in your nails. And you just want to work in the chicken. So always take off one. So what I like to do is use a Ziploc bag. This is a gallon size. And put the chicken in there. Done. You can put that, it's called a hotel pan. It makes for easy transport. I already cleaned this asparagus. I keep a rubber band on it so it stays together. That goes in here. Got some squash. Keep a bowl for trash or scraps. So I like to cut the squash down the middle. And then I do it again. And then this is what we're gonna grill. So then you repeat with the other squash. Scrape out the inside. Just so you can see. And if this part you can't get with a knife, you just use your hands and pick them out. Ladies and gentlemen, your grilled veggies are here. Grilled veggies. Alright, we up to the top. Let's go. Woo! Good times. Woo! Good times.
In the sky.
Oh yeah. Perfect. Beautiful view. It's going down. Grilling, it's my favorite time. See this beautiful view? Woo. Set up these essential tools of the trade. So what I like to do real quick, while the grill's getting hot, if you don't have an oil spray, just take some of your favorite oil, homemade rosemary oil, throw it on the paper towel, alright? Fold it in half so it absorbs. Hold on. Oh, lost a little. It's okay. Alright, nice. And what we're gonna do here is really quick, rub it on. Fast. So it doesn't catch fire. Boom. Yep, that's good. Okay. First, what I like to do, put on the peppers. Line everything in. Alright. Yeah, this is gotta be quick. It's hot. It's hot. Let's get the veggies out the way. Protein takes the longest. And that sizzle. Woo! It's gonna be Yummy. Smell it already. So vegetables have natural sugars in them, and that's why you get that beautiful caramelization when you grill them. Alright. Sometimes I oil everything, but I already oiled the griddle. It's the fun part. This guy in there. Woo! Yeah. Alright. Peppers look like they're ready to be turned over. I like that char right there. Ooh, hear that crackle. Ooh. Boy. Oh yeah. Hot. It's getting hot in here. Took out the veggies that were on the grill. Now we have the asparagus on the grill because there's space. My chicken that's seasoned is in our Ziploc bag. I'm ready to place on the grill. Flame starting to come up. That's what I like to see right there. Let's fix this guy real quick. Yep. So we'll leave that in there for like 10 more minutes, 5 more minutes on this side, and then we'll flip it. And that's where the magic is going to happen. Stay tuned. So we're here in the heart of downtown Los Angeles, grilling some wings and veggies. Trying to stay warm, and we're ready. Here I have a grill glove. This thing is the best thing ever. I can literally put my hand on the grill, grab with it, and it doesn't burn my hand. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna flip the chicken. So you hear that sound? Oh, this is ready. For the speed flipping. This part, we're going to take the wings and we're going to put them on the next level. And I put the grate back in. This way the wings do not burn and they continue to cook through. See, I just put my hand in there for a while. Now we'll leave that for like another 10 minutes and we're good to go. Our chicken is done. And now I'm going to transfer it to the pan and we're done. You can do whatever you want with these. You can toss them in barbecue sauce, hot sauce, honey mustard, lemon pepper. The possibilities are endless. Alright. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe.
Yeah, this smells good.
I know, they look tempting, man.
I wonder how they taste.
Let's see.
Moment of truth.
Just came off the grill. It's so good. It'll be even better if I had a sauce. But it's yummy. Look at that. Wow.